This channel is actually making over $5,000 every month simply by posting Stickman videos on their channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys on how I created mine.
No superhero, no miracle, no perfect moment. You can blame your parents, your boss, the economy. But at the end of the day, it's still you. You're tired, broke, frustrated. And this is the moment that changes everything. When you realize, if it's going to happen, it's because you made it happen. No rescue is coming, so stop waiting. Save yourself.
So first thing you are going to do is to go over to your browser and search in ChatGPT. Over to ChatGPT, simply type in this prompt. Create me a short topic for motivational and physiological videos, and then you actually send that. So right here, this is what ChatGPT have created for us for motivational and physiological topics. You can actually see discipline is for the real talent. Nobody cares, work harder, and so many of them. So when you have actually generated those physiological and motivational parts, what you are going to do next is to paste in these prompts. So when you actually paste in this prompt, simply choosing the exact topic you want to niche down on. So I'm going to niche down on nobody cares, work harder. So I'm going to actually copy that and then come over here and write in, please write a viral 60 seconds YouTube script about, then I'm going to put in the topic I want to talk about. So when you have put in the topic right now, what you are going to do is use a usual dramatic and punchy tone. Break the script into 8 to 10 short scenes. For each scene, include the narration, which is the voiceover text, and a visual description for the video. And in this part, also remove this, but everything will be in the comment section. Do well to use the prompt right away. So when you have actually set all these things together, what you're going to do next is to send that to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will actually write a particular prompt, the description, and the visuals we are going to be using to be able to make this exact title or text into a reality Stickman videos. So this is what ChatGPT have done for us right here, and you can actually see scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5. So every particular scene has narration, visual, and image prompts. So for us to be able to make this in reality, we are going to start from image prompts. We are going to create a back-based image we are going to use to turn it into videos. And then we are going to move to the second platform in the list. The second platform in the list is called Google Gemini. So in Google Gemini is where we are going to create the image we are going to convert to videos. So right here in Google Gemini, copy the exact image prompt and come over here to paste that. Then you send. So immediately Google Gemini will start creating the image for you. So guys, you can actually see right here that the image have now finally been generated, and you can actually see it right here. We are going to simply download the first scene, and when you download that, you are going to also go back to our ChatGPT to copy the second scene. So this is what you are going to be doing every single time to be able to generate all the scene needed for your videos. So this is second scene I actually prompt to Gemini, and this is what is actually generated. Simply download that to your phone or your laptop, and that's it. So this is what you are going to do throughout the scene that ChatGPT have provided for us, or prompts that ChatGPT have provided for us, which you are going to see right here. This is where I did that. So this is where I actually created those scene by scene right now. So when you have actually generated those scene, then we are going to do what? Convert these exact scene pictures to videos. To actually convert this scene exact pictures to videos, we are going to be making use of Grok AI. So right here in Grok AI, what you are going to do is to click on the place that say imagine. When you click on imagine right here, it will take you right here. We are going to start uploading those exact image you actually generated. So the first image I just generated is click on edit image and come over here. This is the first image right here. I'm going to click on open and upload it on Grok. So guys, you can actually see right here that I've actually uploaded it on Grok. So what we are going to do next is to click on this exact place and then select make video. So when you click on make video, simply go back to your ChatGPT. So right here in ChatGPT, simply click on the visual and copy the visual part. When you copy that, simply go back to your Grok AI and paste that and then generate. Grok AI will use the exact prompt or visual prompt we have actually provided there to convert the exact image to video. So guys, you can actually see right here that Grok have actually created that for us, and this is now it in the video. So what you are going to also do next is to also do what? Import another image. But before you import that, try to download the first prompt or the first video visual you have actually generated, and then go back to your prompt part where you created the image to import another image. To import another image, click on this exact place like say favorites. When you click on favorites here, you can actually select this exact part to import another image for yourself. Then wait for it to actually upload, and then we can convert it to another video. So this is what you are going to do, all the exact prompt images you have actually generated using Gemini and using Grok to convert it to videos and all that. So when you have actually generated all the visual needed for your Stickman video, this is it right here. What you are going to do next is to download them in your desktop on your phone, and then we are going to move straight to the next part when we are going to convert or create a voiceover for this. But if you are actually enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. There are different types of AI voiceover you can make use of, even on CapCut, but for security reasons and for you to avoid getting strike on your video, I recommend you making use of ELEVENLABS. So right here in ELEVENLABS, simply go over to the place that say studio, and it will actually take you to this place where you are going to click on the place that say new project. So right here in new project, this is the way it will look like. So what you are going to do next is to go over to your ChatGPT to get your voice narrator, which is the narration part. So each particular narrator, simply copy that and then go over to your ELEVENLABS to actually paste that right away. There are some settings you can actually do if you want to reduce the speed of your voiceover, which I'm going to simply click on the place that say overriding settings. You can actually adjust the speed, lower or speed it up. So this is the way you can actually do it right away. But for us to complete that, you can also go over to your ChatGPT to collect the scene 2 voice narrator, and then go over to your ELEVENLABS to pay that. So I'm going to do this behind the scene to save our time. So guys, you can actually see that I've actually prompted all the stuff narrator to ELEVENLABS. So what I'm going to do now is to play it for you to hear. So play it and try to understand what it is saying to know whether if what it is saying is very correct.
No one's cheering you on. Nobody cares that you're tired or that it's hard.
Is it right here? What I'm going to do next is to actually click on export. When I have actually verified everything, and then click on export right now and download the exact voiceover to my laptop or to my phone. Remember, all these apps used in this video can be accessed on your phone, so you can use either your phone or your laptop. So when your voiceover is ready, what you are going to do next is to go over to your CapCut to combine everything together, and there are some editing you are going to do, but when you are watching it, you will see some adjustments that you needed to do to be able to make it together. Let me show you how to do that. So in create project, what you are going to do next is to import all the files that you have actually generated using Grok. When you are actually importing them, import them one after the other. Import this, and then it will show here. You go again and import another one in your laptop to import all of them. So when you have imported all of them, simply go over to the audio part, then click on import to import the exact voiceover you have actually generated using ELEVENLABS. So right here, this is the exact audio we have actually generated using ELEVENLABS. Import it in your stuff. Let me show you how I did it. So right here, this is the way I did it. I actually imported everything one after the other which is it right here, the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Then I start merging them with the voiceover. So you can actually see the voiceover right here. So I cut them one after the other with the visuals that we have. So the first visual we generated using ChatGPT, go over here and see what it says. So right here is what it says for the first scene. In first scene, the narration, then the prompts and the visuals, you suit them one after the other to match that. So to be able to create a caption, simply click on the place that say text. When you click on text, click on auto caption and then generate caption, and that's it for it right here. And you can see right here that I've generated my videos. If I actually play it right here, it will start playing.
Nobody is coming to save you. No superhero, no miracle, no perfect moment.
So basically, this is the way you can actually create this type of videos for yourself and then export it out to your phone and gallery, and then start posting it on your YouTube to start getting monetized and making money for yourself. So it takes time to be able to grow this, but believe me, if you've been able to stay consistent and upload at least 20 videos, you will start seeing a traction and impression on your channel. Before you know it, you'll be a YouTuber. And don't forget that if you blow up, remember to remember me and comment on my video. Share this video to your friends, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.